How to track sleep using sleep cycle application on your iPhone or on your iOS device. For this, the main thing you have to do is simply download the sleep cycle app from your app store. If you have already downloaded it, then click on this like this sleep cycle that is launching on my iPhone device here. I will click on the start option here, click on continue, sign up with email address. Here you have to enter your email, your first name, the password, and then you have to retype the password here. Choose my own password. I'm going to choose the password here. Then I will enter the password again to verify it. Here is my email address. You can save your time. Just copy your email address from your Gmail account. Now create an account. After creating an account, you have to choose your goal for sleep management, of course. Click on next, allow the notification, and now you can start a free 7-day trial. In this, you will get fall asleep easily, wake up stronger. You're reminded when the trial is ending soon for about day 7, and it will simply give you the best piece of sleep you need. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.